this episode, and we already started. You see the dough? It looks kind of like...
And I'm the director, and Johanna's making it. And I'm not going to show her face because she doesn't apparently want to get seen on YouTube.
And
You're
guys,
gonna put this on YouTube.
Yeah. I'm going to call it the Easy Bake.
and here's the dough. It kind of looks bread.
That's Gigi and Mr. Piggy.
It's so soft. And you can see the dough.
The dough is red. It might look a little dark red to you guys because I'm outside right now.
Yeah, we're outside in the place for beef.
What the heck? This is the Easy Bake.
Stop being cool, James.
And this Easy Bake thing.
Okay, and here it turns. It turns like squishy.
This used to be brown, right?
It kind of looks
Yeah.
like cream.
This used to be...
Anyway, I'll show you around while they are doing stuff. This is our backyard. In the front, it's our nail salon because this is half house, half, yeah, you know what I mean, nail salon.
And here, guys, is our...
Here, tell me what you see in here.
I'm serious, I'm so serious. There's some dough on my hand.
Oh, God. That's what it looks like.
Take it off my hand.
Apparently. Oh, my God, the door opened again. Hold on.
I have a bruise on my hand.
Oh!
Guys, it's almost done. So...
What time is it?
Oh, let's stop now. I know it's 3:45. Anyway,
And guys, here's the dough turned out.
I did get my iPad.
And guys,
Can you stop recording my hand?
I'm gonna show Johanna's iPad's black case with the keyboard as well.
in the house.
Just go get the freaking iPad. This is Johanna's room.
Stop being cool.
That's Johanna's iPad, which Gigi is gonna give to Johanna. No! Stupid! Oh yeah, intro of darkness and redness and whiteness. Dun, 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 dun. No! The park is over there with one little midget kid.
And
Is he walking? Yeah, is he walking?
dough.
Hello there!
Cousin from Florida said hi.
I think I know him. He knows.
Hey, look. My cousin from Florida said hi. Look, you'll never guess what I named it. You ready? Can they even see it? Come on, honey. This song. Cousin from Florida. Hi. Yeah.
Gigi's mixing now. I know you! Oh, you're not gonna respond to that. Whatever, I don't give.
Guys, this is Joey.
I'm gonna come.
Joey.
So, Dory.
So, move. I wanna.
That's my cousin later. Okay.
So, that's the dough.
What time is it?
Huh?
Okay, hold on. I'll check.
Check on your iPad.
Sugar anymore?
This is the pans.
2 more minutes, and then we can start making.
Yeah!
Alright, I'll start putting it in the pan. Gigi, did you get a new spoon? You're supposed to use the old spoons.
Oh.
That's why I said don't mess with it.
This is the umbrella just hanging. No, this is the cap. Ready? We're gonna see it. She looks like a pussy.
Can you pick it out of the tray? But don't put your finger. No.
Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Johanna needs some help.
You can see we're baking right now.
Yeah, we're putting it in the pan. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm horrible at this.
Yeah, that's the. It seems hard, actually.
And
Because I can't put it in.
see?
Here, I'll
So,
put it in.
we'll be back with another episode, and